In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Odoo using the Odoo connector. Integrating these platforms can significantly streamline your operations by automating many tasks that you would otherwise do manually. This integration is especially useful if you're managing both your store and back-office functions, as it allows real-time synchronization of your business processes. First, let's talk about what this integration entails. Odoo connector acts as a bridge between Shopify and Odoo, the popular open-source ERP system. It's priced at $35 per month, with an option to try out the full features free for a week. This tool supports Odoo versions 12 through 18, making it versatile for various setups. Now, let's dive into the features. The highlight is its ability to sync various business elements in real time. This means that products, customers, collections, orders, payments, and stock levels are consistently updated between Shopify and Odoo. This aspect of real-time synchronization can massively reduce data entry errors, improve accuracy, and save time, as you'll no longer need to manually update each platform. Moving on to the integration process. First, you'll need access to your Shopify store and your Odoo account. Assuming you have those ready, the next step is to install the Odoo connector. This can typically be done from your Odoo's Apps section, where you'll search for Webcool's connector and proceed with the installation. Once installed, you'll be able to configure the connector by linking your Shopify account to it. This linking process will usually require API credentials from your Shopify store, which you can generate from your Shopify admin panel under App and Sales Channel settings. With the connector in place, you'll want to start setting up what and how you want to sync. Within the connector's settings, you can choose specific parameters, such as which products and collections to sync, how often to sync them, and more. You may also need to configure how orders and payments are handled in Odoo once they're initiated in Shopify. These configurations ensure that your workflow remains smooth and customized to your business process. One of the benefits of this integration is that it enables warehouse, shipping, and accounting workflows within Odoo based on the data from Shopify. This integration means you have a seamless transition from sales channels to back-end logistics, making the task of managing inventories and shipments much easier. Finally, take some time to explore the analytics and reporting features. Having clear, synced data between Shopify and Odoo means that your reports are more comprehensive and accurate. You can make better, informed business decisions with a more unified look at your operations. This integration with the Odoo connector empowers you to maximize efficiency and maintain accuracy across your business processes. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through setting up this essential integration. Thanks for watching, and as always, make sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.